woman be that one? You go stay for mirror for 1 good hour. You are painting your face. Come on, let me go.
For my window. Why you say every time? Person no get for this house. Only your wife they live for this house. Stand for my window. You go for this house.
Try. I go call Bakala. Black sheep goat. Nkotoji. Black China dog. Who lose you for chain? How to put a chain this early morning? Eh? You're not even happy that somebody like me is living close to you. Eh? That I stood by your window, or I sit, or I sat, or I sit down beside your window. Perceiving all this your nonsense mess, so the next side this will You're not happy. Give me on the camera, you come out to challenge me. In fact, yes, you should be lucky because people like you are not supposed to live among men. You go say get into Sahara desert or into forest. Go there and establish. That is where you belong. Give me one kabingo. Yeah, here now, bro.
Now me, you talk like this. No, forget say my mama from Benin. No forget say na for Benin they bomb me. Separate yourself. Respect yourself.
Recipitate to yourself. Benin don't suffer. Benin don't suffer anything where they born. Where they anyhow you boy Benin. You carry a put full of heads and they born. And so what? They born you for Benin. You know where they born me? Your mom from Ogoja. If your mama make it come from Sambisa Forest, I don't care. My mama also come from Omaka. If you go to Aka land, see my mama place, see in Java River. If you mess up now that in Java, I go throw you. They born you for Benin, they brag. They carry your ubu up. Because they born you for Benin, you use the Jew, they make mouth. I have God. Only my God, I go call consuming fire like this. They have a consume, go get it to come on. This year one way be like this, way be like goat old. You eat him in the hotel. Oh, you're not happy.
Mind yourself for this time.
Thank you. If was man, that is where you're supposed to belong. Go to animal kingdom, go there, find house, and live there, not among men. I don't blame yourself. Now this stupid patient, now you I blame. Because if you don't paint yourself, finish, come out. Bro, someone look from that this idiot, no go come here, come there. What did I get? What's the here? What do you are this not your wife to do?
You don't come in and the wife. Me the four. Nando wife.
Yeah, I'm okay at that. In the heart that you don't got. Swallow her. Swallow that one instead of it to kill you. Low yeah. Oh, God, I have to low yeah.
Two of you.
Swallow her. Where you go hold us?
Where you want take hold us?
The thing where hold you there never get free from her. You want call hold people where God create. Keep quiet, Hama.
See me, come on.
Patient. I would want to go to shop. Go inside. Bring your bag. Let's go to shop.
No, me. I talk like that. Okay now.
Up walk. I can go to there. Up walk. Oga. Just go and thank your God I woke up this morning. After my morning devotion.
Oh yeah, close the door.
After my morning devotion, I asked God to.
Come, close the door.
Wait, oh. Ayomide, nwoke Bini. Never one year Bini, na go one year Iraq. Magonye ran. I point him. Wait, Daddy.
Yeah.
Are you looking at us?
What is the count? Eh? Tie.
They ask me question. So you get mad, they ask me question what's the count. I no get mine, I no go fit count my business again to know whether I dey improve or I dey come down.
Not be me and you follow live here yesterday night. I be turn to which return come the settings.
So if me and you follow sleep on top of the same bed, make I trust you finish. Eh? All this makeup in and bubble in and makeup all the time since I know you every day your hand dey for face. Person wey don marry we go comot monkey hand from the soup before it turns to a human hand. See you are still robbing. The person where you are robbing it for, I know even sent. I don't know whether you got another plan. Eh? So I need to count my business to know when I'm going up and when you are bringing me down.
Hey, you think what they pay me besides you take rush me. Exercise patient. Make I make up. See me, I don't even make up well as I take makeup. Eh? Where they rush me? Exercise patient, you no gree. The person here say when they go shop, go say well, every place, all the places you full for goods. Business where carry pillow they sleep.
What do you talk? Patient. My own business carry pillow they sleep.
If I go.
My own business carry pillow they sleep. I no go blame you. I don't bring you out of poverty. Now you have mouth to talk. Just look. If you know return that mirror from where you bring out from. If you know carry that mirror, put her for pocket and copy the mirror now. What am I about? Are you okay? What you always rob? Huh?
See, I tell you, I don't tire for this business because I tell you from day one, say, make we not start this kind of business. You know they move. You tell me say everybody they do am. You they move. People they do wedding. Then they do burial. You they move. You don't move now. Should be your own. Don't stand like this.
My business stand like this. Now so you too stand for your papa house. Stand like this. So God can't use me. Can't come out you for your papa house. Now so if for day they dry, ocean monopause atabuogi, you will not you. How many men come to you before I appeared? How many?
I don't get your time.
Stupid woman. I said put that mirror side back.
What? Exercise patient from you.
I'm talking to you. You're carrying mirror. Patience. Come down.
What's happening?
I
know you.
Come down fire you.
No, just touch her.
Yeah, come on, rub the cup, rub hunger. Come. Give me those. Leave it. I go blow your teeth, come out. I go blow your teeth. Okay, come die. Come now, come by.
You know what I want buy? What you know where I want buy? I better carry your wallet to go. Anybody where you see for road, they go to call, make it come by. You know what I want buy?
See this man. Who even want to make you buy something? That's why I go carry paper body they walk around. Come buy something. I curse you. I beat you.
Shut up. Man, we don't pass this. You can't open your buka cavity. Oh no, Bajegi. You get sense at all? Eh? You look this man finish. He resemble who don't chop food. If they call and make you come drink water. Okay, let's say you don't chop food and you want drink water. This man resemble who they drink bottled water. Eh? Or banku mo granu. One girl or tala. Okay, just drink the bottled water.
So make two person come the run mad at the same time. Make I come the fight time. Come on here now, because I gotta go Koswara by the roadside.
If two people run mad at the same time, anything there inside. I don't tell you, if you won't call customer, calm down, look their face. Then you go call. Not be this one waking face like waiting and no. Not be anybody when you see. You go just call her. Come buy markets. Don't be like that now.
Business advisor. Business tycoon. Ela here business administrationer. Business administrationeress. You're teaching me now how to do business. Sometimes I go to look at you, say, the way you talk, sometimes they make me vex. You never mad, you can't talk like this. What if you come mad? How you go can't talk? ono na ihe jego pra yana pogo n'ike kinya ha ni ihe na anya ihu to gbuo no te ka ngutu ala ihe Patricia ringo obi nwa you go kugbuo no te mo no ka apia ana apụsị gị na single goes to school welcome shino pro get inside.
They look you. See, lest I forget, anytime when they come shop, no they forget them. Carry brain, follow body, no come here empty. You hear me?
Useless thing. Customer come, Jerry. Oga come now. Now wow. Oga come, get on our last chance. Think on they happen to people today. I'm not gonna blame you, useless woman. Now you carry your bad luck, they follow me around. Since why I marry you, my shop they go down every day. In a press shop, I'm down. I got a press to book your this house. You go see me. Now me and you. You carry bad mouth. I go tell you say I carry bad character. My own they smell for body food. I wear them like clothes.
Titus, what did they calculate?
They calculate your mama.
See as you don't hear they look you. Every morning this thing don't turn to your national anthem. If you know minus, you go add. If you know add, you go subtract. If you know subtract, you go divide. What be away up makara?
Arab piagani. The madness. Papa Arab ma go here. Make you run mad, stupid woman.
You be serious witch. See person why they pity for. And the pity you say they stress your brain. You dey hear the open mouth for me. Like person where they swear for in village. And evil spirit follow you come here from your village reach here. One day you go to walk out for road like this. That's so you go to calculate. If they might not sound. Conquering all of them, go to add and they subtract. Business man will never sell anything. You don't they calculate the profit where you go make it. You go chop inside.
Oga welcome Jari, better person. What you want buy Jari?
Nah, what do you want buy?
Turn that wash you go. This one my ask no be question.
No be you ask, I ask.
Una dey quarrel abi man begin dey go.
Oga no mind the winch because happen am so jog dey wo won.
What do you want buy?
What you want buy?
Yeah. Hey, no they collect word from my mouth oh. Senseless man. Something where I want talk, you collect and talk.
Wow. Okay, I want buy 30 cartons of can water.
Yeah. Go bring receipt make I
Thunder fire you go gbogbo. I resemble your sales girl enwa. The one variation.
Oga no vex, na so we take plan here. These witches and wizards, people wey don't want dey useful for their life, they go remain here. Only rob they go rob. You ha ekete. Boko.
You be useless man. Useless man. Edi anu.
See Oga.
Oga, this one you want, I been a small one, Jari.
The big one I won't buy.
Okay, big one na 1,400 naira last.
And wow. Well, I give you 1, 2 or 1, 3 now.
Which kind 1, 2, 1, 3? No be like that. That's the way one come out and I be our game. Anything you work for 200 or 100, now be say you won't send us back to village. So please, nah 114. Do make I how many this thing?
No. Okay. No.
Okay, come now.
I dey come.
You don't want buy again?
No, I dey come.
Also,
Come.
I thought as much. I tell you just they look the dress when you wear. I come to ask myself, I know what you would say now, not the same with here. And you ready, you know. You go plastic sick pass the beer baby is the meaning. La aja.
Just go shop. Gather the can water come out. Man, go bring people up.
Go now, go. I dey wait for you, my man. Just go. I have a lot of better customers.
So, Ochende. So you divert the customer wey come my shop. You can't call am for phone, make it come buy your own.
Titus, that man na my customer. Now because say you no see me for shop, now make him misplace my shop for your shop.
That man na your customer. Because he no see you for shop. He come mistake my shop to your shop. He na akro biati. He na akro tata wey no know you.
See what you no know be say any money wey come for person shop, na person get am. Ke na abram na akpan wi oku direct. Ke na abragodrim na akpan wi oku.
Money come your shop. Money wey come your shop, now you get am. Don't worry, I go my buy film. I go put film for you. I quit tigolem cinema small. Came watch now small cinema.
I don't get time for your trouble this morning. What is your own? See, I don't get time for wahala. Respect yourself. I told you this man is my customer. Now because they don't see me for shop, now make him enter your shop. What is your problem? See, I don't have your time. Respect yourself. Huh?
In a crowd, you are talking a shop. And I put gram non the cake poporo. Breast where they can't put for my mouth to give a phone call. Kuromana pegra no popomia. I'm gonna get this line. I'm a popo cause from cause. A passana ki weprum. You got one ketrobiati. No wala. No problem. What for this shop? Me and you go chop. We go chop. I could come around with this shop. Customer will come my shop. Where I don't negotiate with them. Get me a phone. I can even a phone. I'm a back on a telecom. No more where. Don't worry. I'm gonna tell you. Jezebel.
Thank you, Jesus.
Why Amusu?
Thank you, Jesus.
I was telling you, say, thank God. I will soon thank Jesus for your death.
Thank you, my Lord.
I will soon thank him for your death in this shop.
Stop.
Stupid woman. See, I'm my son. If you don't pursue her, I'll call Lala. Go see if you not see fire at this shop, you go call me bastard. Useless woman.
Exercise patience.
Satanic woman. You think say you go kill me? Don't worry.
Exercise patience. I'm patient.
I'm a team the bogi. I will kill you. I will exercise patient until the day when you go die inside this shop. I resemble you. I resemble you, Mackerel. In a tiny amazing. Mwa. Ochendo look me finish. Ochendo you look me finish. Come out to breast in my mouth. God don't bring out the big breast. You know what it be 30 packs of water. Now here that man stand. He don't they bring out in calculator, make we take check and make a rice with it giver. Get boy on a phone. Call him Zalazage Zaria, you diverted my call to your shop. You never see something. But you like my biography movie. Key Jinimo Wusilima. You got watching my movie. You go watch my movie. By the time you are done watching my movie. By the time you are done watching my movie, my God go come punish you well.
Why God go punish you? Now the only thing where you go fit talk, God go punish, God go punish. See wetin your fellow man do you now. If now where I dey now they get power. Now where I dey now they get power. See wetin your fellow man do you. Nonsense. God go punish according to you. Ana Chineke kwuraga na anu, e bebe akwụpụ nwa. Ana kwuraga na anu, e bebe akwụpụ nwa. Ene megbukwu ego. Nonsense.
I mean they talk to Abi. Don't worry. Every day now for the thief. But one day now for the owner of the house. One day it go soon be my turn. All of you now go see.
Wait. Owner of which house? Where the owner of the house dey? Where in there? Where the house sef? Kanukwa.
Where the house dey? Don't worry. The day of reckoning is coming. Ụbọchị ikpe na-abịa. Ụbọchị nta niile. All of us, I got to know what inch. Bịa nọkọchara ya. Bịa kụchara ya. Ọkwa m nọ n'ọkpọ gidi ala. Kwa m nọ na this town. Una go hear my story.
Hello, good morning. I don't say na you. I beg. No verse. I've been there inside the sleep. I don't say na you. No verse.
You dey inside the sleep.
I beg. Me and you know, I know come here come talk plenty talk. Go inside your room there now. Blink my 6 month length. I'll make her come up from here. You never reach like that now. You never reach like that. Things are hard. But I will pay you. Very soon, I will pay you.
I don't know be the thing why they talk, where they talk. I know build this house for you to come home me for 6 months. Go inside this house now. Bring my 6 month lentage. Make her come out from here. Now.
Take a music with me now.
Okay, make a question a wall. Pay your rent. Why are you this heartless? Why are you this heartless?
Oh.
Must this man come here every day to shout on you before you can pay your rent?
6 months lentage. Hey. 6 months length. 6 months.
What you call on for this matter? What you call I don't know. On they go somewhere. Which time do now? He's going to sleep. trouble come wake up. Wait, who be the nyanga they sleep? Okay, your own nyanga they sleep. Then go and wake your nyanga. Go wake am up, tell her say they don't break. Say landlord want collect in length. Because yes now.
Ayo. A whole 6 month lentage.
6 months oh.
6 months lentage.
6 month lentage. Now you the owe me here oh.
Pay him now.
Pay him length. Wait. Thank you. You and anti-patient. When I see me for dream. Huh? For dream. We see you for dream. See, let me tell you. To God who created me and you. Any day, any time where I mistakenly see you for my dream. Ote come dey show te frog mu wen wuda ni. You this caterpillar where you wear. I go throw you te gaga no na wall, biegish na wall.
Ota God.
Stupid man. Pay your rent.
Ayo.
Pay your rent.
Make I tell you.
Collect your money, chairman. Oh. Try pay your rent.
Tell her.
It's not good to owe for a longer time.
Oh. Or better still, if he back out, we go use that place do a vacation.
Our ghost is coming soon. Then you.
Make una remember na own the end next month too. Your own house dey expire next month too.
Also.
Okay.
Lord, as I see, they beg you. No vex for me. Just give me from now till Friday.
Me?
From now till Friday. I go bring the money. If I don't bring her, if you come in. Anything where you see, carry. Anything where you see, carry.
What did you get there? What did you get inside that place? No be the thing wey tell me last month say if I come back this month, if I no pay, anything wey say carry. If I no get this money, I go carry you comot. I go carry you comot from this house.
Obi, come. Na food still remain.
Yes, ma.
Una get rice?
Yes, ma.
Beans you come.
Yes, ma.
Okay. You go put 100 naira rice for me.
Okay.
100 naira beans. Shake it still remain.
Yes, ma.
Put akwara anu.
Okay.
Put towel.
Okay.
Put Bible. Put roundabout.
Okay.
No, roundabout show you there.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Put
You go put a line here. Get me go 40-40. Make him put a line here, mark a junction for you. Not only roundabout. Make him put boys quarter. If you reach there now, you know banana junction alo. Bakburi yote be ahu bale hang ogedi. Stupid woman. Aya, get out, come on, Singapore. Get out of here. Sha, Singapore.
hey!
Where is she? If in a rice,
Hey! Nothing wey person no go see for this world though. So I no on my own now, I no go fit order for food chop.
You go soon order for your debt. One went to bag him on go order. A short take with a carrying note with reggae one amzurike. You know, there's nothing you can do in this shop. Very early in the morning, you have started painting your face. You paint your give paint your honor. Even in the dream, I see you painting. Patience, are you not ashamed of yourself? See, I don't get patience enough. Oh. I don't get patience enough.
Exercise patience.
I go lose am oh.
Lose am now. Wetin be that one now? Say we no sell market, no miss I no go chop. I go chop food. Wetin I order for sef? Small rice, only 100 naira rice, 100 naira beans, and only 4 pieces of meat. Now you dey shout.
4 pieces of meat. When you do your papa house, you dey chop meat. Mbe no ngam na gị eri anọ. If you are na shop, since I marry you, the shop they go down every day. For what you never think say, may you step out, go do prayer, go do research. You know what thing that happen to you?
Now you are supposed to tell that.
Na me supposed tell. Na me supposed tell okay. If you not come out for this shop, if you not think of changing your style, you see me in the next action. Stupid woman. I get what take roundabout. May they bring roundabout. Bring on weekend you go. What take go elu. E what take go ndube. How what take go na la he wa chere. Nguri alekwe we don't go test.
What is your makeup in something?
It's nice,
You're looking fine.
Yeah. Instagram. Rezo, I better come. Instagram. Bye-bye. 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 Instagram. We're going to school. We're going to school. See her. Sorry, I didn't forget you. They asked you, which course did you do?
Yeah. Special music now. You know see my regalian. Yeah, my music I dey study.
Music.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Now you come the answer result. You just need to call me auntie. Come off the body feel and go your case. Now nobody will call you auntie.
Patient. Business no dey today. This one wey you sit down here, we brush. Or brush can you get it? Eh?
Shop.
Toilet. We no go open shop.
We get shop. Huh? I beg I don't tire for that shop. I no dey go anywhere this morning. I be my own decision. I no go anywhere.
Why?
They ask me why. Shop where be say husband and wife go come sit down like this, they look their two together like say they watch television. Shop where be say in name now sit down they look dog. Now wetin that shop be? If the people where they work for mortuary, they better pass us. Everly people they die, they go bring in cups. If they don't bring in cups, they go carry cups come out. Money they enter, all these things now money. Which one would they collect? I be they swear for us. I beg I don't tire.
Time. So now you want to tell me that you have become my husband. I am the owner of that shop. If there should be any complaint, I should be the one to complain and not you. So you don't sit down here and tell me how to run my shop and how not to run it. We are husband and wife. If we sit down in the same shop and look at each other, how is it your business? We are meant together. We are for better, for worse. You are my wife, I am your wife. This marriage is for better, for worse. So we're supposed to sit down together, look ourselves together in sickness, in health, in bad business, and in good business. So you don't have any right to tell me that you don't want to go to shop. Go inside now and get ready. Let us go to shop before I deal with you.
Tai, I cannot come and kill myself.
You cannot come and kill yourself. You open your mouth and tell me you cannot come and kill yourself. I am the CEO of this business.
I beg you. Kilo day. I'm the CEO. Suppose you don't open mouth. I am the CEO. I am the CEO. So if there are more people will be CEO of companies, let them come and say you say people don't come and salute me. If they reach what CEOs they do, you no go fit do anything. And you let me go CEO.
Are you done? Now go inside and bring your bag. Let's go to the shop.
Come on, get me a brother.
Patient, let's go to the shop.
Yeah. Oh, mommy.
Patient, let's go to the shop. 1. Patient, let's go to the shop. 2.
Tai, let's go to the house. 4.
You are pushing me. You are daring me. You are. Hello? When I'm not getting lecture today.
It concern you. It concern you.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to myself.
So you open that stupid mouth and you're talking back at me.
Now myself I talk to.
I'm not going to blame you. See, no. Make something not come last year. Make something.
It concern you.
Are you talking to me?
See this fool.
You want to record? I'm sure you're not recording what I'm saying because I'll break that phone. You don't even have to look for you. Why you go record me? You get mouth to talk.
I go check for your body.
You go do wetin? Na me dey do cut for. You dey open eye for me. Who did that? You want to show me say you be cutist? Do you know who I am? My own cut is very high. In fact, I'm on the high court. I dey for high court. This my wife wey you see here. She's a cuttress. So if you open eye for us, go cut you take you do pepper soup. Stupid boy. When I no go school, come sit down here. You dey record what I dey talk. You want post your mouth for Facebook. If I see myself for Facebook, when I go see am. Nonsense. Oh yeah, shh, I could come back. Now you dey bring all this things on. Go inside and just let's go.
Oh, yo. It's alright, yo. Therefor cigar. Mama, yo. Papa, yo. It's alright, mama, yo.
Cheerful cigar. Mama.
Good morning.
Morning. Mama yo. Sister like you, mama yo. Cheerful cigar. Mama yo. Papa yo. Sister like you, papa yo. Cheerful cigar. My yo. Papa yo. Sister like you, papa yo.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chiefimo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!